Sauces 84. Sauce is serious tomato sauce spice pattern. Mediterranean. This is a genuine Italian tomato sauce recipe. I learned it from genuine Italian relatives while growing up in New York City. The secret to a thick and crumbly texture tomato sauce is to fry the tomato paste with the garlic and oil until it crumbles and darkens, almost until it burns. For a cooking wine, I use a hearty inexpensive red wine like Burgundy. The tomato puree makes a very thick and heavy sauce, the diced tomatoes a little less so. To do this one right, the sauce really needs to cook all day or overnight. Once the frying step is finished, the rest of the ingredients can be combined in a slow cooker. It gets better with time. 4 tablespoons olive oil, or more, 1-2 whole dried red chilies, optional, or 1 to 2 teaspoons dried guajillo chili pieces, 3-4 cloves garlic, chopped 1 small, 6 ounces, canned tomato paste 1 lg can, 28 ounces, tomato puree or diced tomatoes 1/2 c, or more, hearty Burgundy or similar red wine, or 1 tablespoon brown sugar. If you can't deal with the wine, 1 teaspoon basil, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1/2 teaspoon mint, optional, 1 stick kombu or kelp, optional, 1-2 bay leaves, 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Heat the oil over a low flame, and fry the red chilies and garlic until the garlic just starts to brown. Add the tomato paste, stir and fry, stirring occasionally, until the paste is crumbly and browning and appears coated with the oil. Don't rush this step. You can fry the paste to where it starts to burn a little bit. When you stir, you may need to scrape the paste off the bottom of the pan where it sticks. Add the rest of the ingredients, stir, put on a very low flame or slow cooker, and just let it cook covered, stirring occasionally, less often with a slow cooker, for as long as you can. 4-6 hours minimum. The sauce tastes as good or better reheated the second day. Variation: add extra vegetables, onions, bell peppers or Anaheim peppers, mushrooms, by sauteing them on the side in a little bit of olive oil and mixing them in with the sauce after the paste is finished frying.